In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 or Windows 10 lagging or slow problem. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first of all, you need to go to your taskbar. Then you will see your Windows icon on your farthest left. So right click on it. Then go to Task Manager. So Task Manager will launch. So here you are going to identify the softwares or the programs which are consuming a lot of your CPU and your memory. So you will scroll down to identify the softwares which are consuming much of your CPU and memory. So I will scroll down. So I can see CatCap. It is running on the background. Even though I do not use it, it is running in the background. So as you can see, it is consuming a lot of my CPU. So you're just going to select the program, then right click on it, then end task. Then you can see the CPU percentage has reduced. So again, you will scroll down to identify. So again, I can see also BlueStack here. It is running on the background. So you will select, then right click, then end task. Then we will ensure that that task has ended. Then once you've done that, here on the top you are going to see options. You will now go to the startup option. Now you are going to disable all the startups option, because whenever you open your computer or your PC, they automatically start. I'm going to disable all this. You just right click on it, then disable. Then you can right click on each and every program that you are not using or that you do not want to start immediately when you open your PC. So you are going to disable them all. So once you've done that, you'll now close taskbar, then you will refresh. Then you need to go to your Windows settings. You go to search and then search for settings. Then open settings. Then go to privacy. Then on your left, you are going to see options. So you are going to scroll down. Then you will see background apps. Click on it. Then choose which app can run in the background. So you are going to turn off all these apps which might have been causing your computer to lag or to slow down. So as you can see, I've already turned them off. So you need to turn all these apps off. And also you can turn let app run in the background. You can turn this button off and your computer performance will improve. So that's really it, guys. That's how to fix Windows 11 or Windows 10 lagging problem. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.